AMC stock could be absolutely exploding in the next 24 hours, and here's how. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. I know it has been months, maybe even years, since we have made a video about the stock market and more specifically about AMC and GameStop. But ladies and gentlemen, we are back, and it is good to be back. There is a lot going on with this specific company, with this specific stock, and the surrounding stocks that are related to this stock are also exploding as well. And everyone just keeps asking the question, is this the beginning or is this the end? In today's video, I really want to cover potentially where AMC stock is headed in the next 24 to 48 hours over the next couple of days with everything that's been going on in the market recently. Now, if you guys are interested in getting the best possible AMC related stock alerts and know exactly when I'm buying and selling my shares of AMC, make sure to join our Discord with the link down in the description below. As you can see here, we had a couple of members do some massive numbers with AMC. We had one of our members do over $892 in gains just over the last 24 hours with this AMC call. And then of course we also have another member doing over $54 with 15% there on the table in overall gains on another AMC call. And again, we're going to be posting AMC alerts, GameStop alerts, and any meme stock that you can think of. We'll be posting alerts on when we're buying and when we're selling over time. So make sure, if you guys haven't already, to join our Discord with the link down in the description below so you can get started trading and join our private alerts. In order to do that, you'll head down to the description, which should look like this, and all you'll have to do is hit the get our buy and sell alerts option. You'll click this link and the link will take you over to Upgrade Chat, where you can either purchase the premium monthly membership or the premium yearly subscription. You do save quite a bit of money on the monthly side of things if you go with the yearly, since you're paying in full. We do offer a pretty sizable discount to people who do the yearly option, but if you just want to get started with monthly, you can go with $79 per month with that option as well. You'll hit the upgrade button. You'll be taken here where you can log in with your Discord. You'll put your payment information in and you'll be taken into our Discord, where you'll get full access to our buy and sell alerts that we post in our premium channels, as you can see right here. We know that right now AMC has shot up at least over 80%, or 79% as of right now, over just the last 24 hours, which is a massive amount of overall gains that have been put on the table for people that have been either holding AMC or were still buying AMC at these lower prices that we saw for the last couple of months that we can see back here. But as of right now, AMC has shot up massively in yesterday's market trading session into after hours, and of course in pre-market. That's where we saw another massive amount of gains. Now the question remains, since we topped out here at about $11.86 with this candle and then subsequently pulled back a little bit down to $9.21, is this strong enough price action to continue our momentum towards the upside? Now, there's a few reasons on why, of course, this is all happening. One of the big reasons being that AMC completed a $250 million stock sale during this meme rally, which of course caused the shares to jump over 90% in overall value. Now, again, that single stock buyback program that they basically just did was a very nice catalyst for this, but it seems that the main reason this is happening, and we can actually even Google this, is that of course meme stock extraordinaire Roaring Kitty has returned back onto the scene. This is someone who is named Keith Gill. He testified in front of the SEC during the original GameStop fiasco that we saw back in 2020 and around that area. And again, he obviously talked a lot about how he liked the stock, he enjoyed investing in it, and has his reasons for being invested in it. He just recently released a video onto his YouTube channel basically saying that he is back, or actually it's not on his YouTube channel, I believe it was on his Twitter account, but either way, he has released a recent video saying that he is back and ready to go. Because of this, AMC and GameStop have both surged because of his return into this kind of forum of online interaction and online discourse. And because of that, it's going to be very interesting to see what ends up happening if he continues to make statements about GameStop, or if he continues to make statements about AMC as well. Now, as you can see here, we are pulling back a little bit. This is more than likely due to a lot of people who are not diamond handing AMC. They're taking profits now after they've probably been holding for quite some time. We can head back from the 15-minute chart to go to the 1-day chart. And as you can see here, things have pulled back significantly since then. And obviously a lot of people are going to take profits now that we've shot up significantly in value in such a short amount of time. Now, as far as my overall prediction when it comes to AMC and where I think it's going, in my opinion, with this price action right now, it's still a little too early to tell. We are starting to dip below these first couple of EMA lines, which is a bit of a bearish signal. However, keeping that in mind, because there is so much unusual volume on this specific equity, we're going to see a lot of patterns be broken, and we're going to see a lot of kind of inconsequential trading behavior. And what I mean by that is that basically things are going to move in ways that you're not going to expect it because of all of the volume, because of all of the buying interest, and then also, of course, the short interest, right? We have hedge funds that are also actively looking to take advantage of shorting these plays, shorting these specific stocks, and because of that, things might change a little bit and things might not go in the exact direction that you might expect them to. So just keep all of this in mind, guys. Again, if you are buying at these levels, I'd really recommend to only use money that you're willing to lose, because again, because we've already run up, a lot of the narrative has been played out already unless further things happen. So if more news articles come out, if Roaring Kitty makes more statements, or in general, if we just see a renewed public interest into AMC, we could see those higher price points get hit. But for right now, I would tread a little bit carefully at these levels. That being said, I am personally going to be investing some lotto amounts into AMC as far as buying a couple of call options, as well as making a few trades there. If you guys want to learn exactly when I'm buying those specific call options and making those trades, I'd really recommend joining our private Discord and getting access to our buy and sell alerts. This is how you're going to get access to see exactly when we buy and sell any given stock on the market, especially when it comes to options and especially when it comes to AMC. So again, use the link down in the description below. You guys will hit that. You'll be taken over to Upgrade Chat, where you can then either get access to our premium monthly membership or our premium yearly membership, which all come with our buy and sell alerts, and of course also a host of other options that we have as well. So if you haven't already, make sure to get started with the link down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Good luck out there, and to the AMC apes, we're rooting for you.